Hi there, my name's Alison Frizzell and I'm the Advocacy and Participation Worker for Who Cares Scotland here in the Western Isles. You've heard from Megan and Ashley as to how I've helped them, so I just want to give you a wee bit of detail about what it is I do. I provide independent advocacy support to all young people who have care experience within the Western Isles. Who Cares Scotland is a national charity. It's based on membership and currently we have 1,386 members, young care experience members of Who Cares Scotland, including some from the Western Isles. When you get in touch with me, I am there to ensure that you have a voice and are part of the decision-making process around you. It's not only about having a voice though, it's about making sure that voice is heard to the right people, in the right place, at the right time. This could be at formal meetings such as children's hearings, LAC reviews, school meetings, or it could be very informal meetings, just a chat with your social worker, a neighbour, a friend even. It is, as I say, completely independent. I only work for you. I don't advise you. I don't tell you what to do. You tell me what you want said and I make sure that's heard. Social work, I don't work for them and I don't work for the police. Referrals though can come from social work. They can come from the police. They can come from family, teachers. But what they are doing is they are offering you independent support. They are not asking me to report back to them. They just think you'll benefit from me being around. Young people themselves can refer. They can just give me a wee phone. There are several ways of getting in touch. You can get in touch by phone. My phone number is 07764 290921, or my email address is afrizzell@whocarescotland.org. You can text me obviously as well if you prefer not to chat. And we also have a Facebook page. It's a closed group, so you have to ask to join. It's obviously confidential and it's called Western Isles, Who Cares Scotland Western Isles. Again, this will give you information on what we do locally and nationally and how you can become involved. My other role is a participation, and what that does is, you've heard Megan talk a bit about that, and my role there is to ensure that young people with care experience are having the same rights, the same opportunities as everybody else, and there is no stigma attached. So if you again want some more information on that, or you would like to be part of that, you can see that again on Facebook, or by speaking to myself, you'll find out that information. We really want to support and raise awareness of this service because it is important that you have this voice, because many young people feel disempowered by not having a voice and they believe that these decisions are going to be taken without them having a say. That is why that you need to get in touch with myself. So if you think I can help you, or you simply want some more information or just a chat over a coffee, you don't need to be in crisis. It doesn't need to be an emergency. Please just get in touch with me through the ways I've mentioned and I'd love to hear from you.